If you've been paying any attention to current events, I'm sure you're well aware of the Affordable Care Act, which, as it turns out, has been about as well thought out as this sign. Note that the Affordable Care Act is sometimes referred to as Obamacare, although the President himself now prefers to refer to it as Bushcare. Now, the intent of the Affordable Care Act was to provide health care services to individuals who could otherwise not afford it. But for some reason, these individuals seem to be able to afford iPhones and iPads and fine wines and fancy sports cars, and they seem to be able to afford to rent expensive apartments and take luxurious cruises. Now, the Affordable Care Act was modeled after a health care system in the state of Massachusetts that was instituted by then Governor and one-time presidential candidate Mitt Romney, a man so wealthy that he has an elevator in his garage, an elevator that leads directly to the Mayo Clinic. The Affordable Care Act is being administered by the Secretary of Health and Human Services, Kathleen Sebelius. She has stated that despite some problems with the launch of the website, she has no intention of resigning, although she would appreciate hearing of any job openings at Taco Bell. Now, due to glitches in the Affordable Care Act website, individuals attempting to sign up for health care have not been able to do so. But as they say, patience is a virtue. That's P-A-T-I-E-N-C-E, not P-A-T-I-E-N-T-S. Just a little Affordable Care Act humor there. Now, perhaps one waiting to sign up for healthcare and waiting for the website to become functional, that person could multitask and do other chores like perhaps wash the dishes or mow the lawn or paint the house. It's not known just how many individuals have been able to sign up for the Affordable Health Care Act, but some estimates are that figure is between 6 and 8. Period. Although other sources put that figure closer to 7. In the meantime, those wishing to sign up for the Affordable Care Act are urged to find other ways to do so. And one such way is to simply submit a postcard. And please remember that if you do sign up by using a postcard, you don't have to put a stamp on the postcard because they're already stamped. This should save you a considerable sum of money, and money that you'll be able to apply to your healthcare costs. Just write on the card the type of healthcare service you want, and be sure to sign your name, or sign someone's name. I'm sure that sooner or later someone in the government will get back to you, and that might even be Secretary Sebelius herself if she's not busy tinkering with the website. Now, one likely outcome of the Affordable Care Act is an unfortunate decrease in the number of doctors. But to combat this, HHS is considering implementing a barter system whereby lay individuals such as yourself will be able to provide healthcare services to other lay individuals. For example, you take out your neighbor's appendix, and in return, your neighbor removes your gallbladder. Of course, if things don't work out, you can always sue, provided, of course, that you survive the procedure. Now, the public has expressed some reservations about the blanket coverage of the Affordable Care Act. For example, psychiatric care is offered, but I'm sure you'll agree that this will come in handy, especially for most members of Congress. And maternity care is offered. Now, some men have balked at having to pay for maternity care, but I can cite one individual, a man I know, who had a cow when he went on the website and saw what his monthly premiums would be, so he's actually very glad that maternity coverage is offered. Now I'd like to address some questions that have been submitted. JT of Cumberland, Maryland asks, will the Affordable Care Act be extended to cover health care costs for my dog Fluffy? Actually, JT inadvertently raises a good point. If doctors are going to be in short supply, as is anticipated, then perhaps we can include veterinarians into the system and have them treat patients as well as treat dogs and cats. KW of Plano, Texas asks, I don't have no teeth, but was wondering if dental care will be covered under the Affordable Care Act. Well, JT or KW, unfortunately, the Affordable Care Act provides no dental coverage. But as the implementation of the Act drags on and as the website takes longer and longer to become functional, the population will age, and as they age, their teeth will fall out. So they probably won't be too concerned about dental coverage. And finally, HF of Fargo, North Dakota asks, I'm stone deaf. Does the Affordable Care Act cover hearing aids? You don't have to answer because I wouldn't be able to hear you anyway. Well, I know you can't hear me, HF, but hearing aids will not be covered under the Affordable Care Act. But that could be a good thing because if you can't hear, you won't have to listen to any more discussion about the Affordable Care Act and the website. Thank you for your attention.